Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make the house project on SketchUp. So we're going to go ahead and open up SketchUp 2017. And if you remember correctly, here's our blueprint with everything marked on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started with the outside parameters first, so the 40 feet by the 26 feet 8 inches, and then we'll start marking off the interior bedrooms as we go. So here we have SketchUp. Let's make sure that our template is correct, simple template, feet and inches. Start using SketchUp. Alright, so once it opens, you can go ahead and delete that guy here. So we'll hit delete, and then we'll grab our rectangle tool. We'll start at the origin and we'll type in 40 feet, comma, 26 feet, 8 inches. Enter. So you can see the dimensions are marked. So let's measure just to make sure that we did that correctly. So from here to here should be our 26 feet, 8 inches. From here to here, 40 feet. So we're good. So we're good to go to get started here. Alright, so we're going to rotate so we can see the inside. And like I told you guys, the very first thing you're going to want to do is offset to the outside. So let's grab our offset, and we're going to make these walls 5 inches thick. So you can see how I went outside. So my inner dimensions are still 40 by 26 feet 8 inches, because once we start marking things off, you don't want that to be different. Alright, so bedroom, we'll start on the left where it says bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. Both of those bedrooms are 10 feet 2 inches wide there. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to use the measurement tool here. Grab the end here and type in 10 feet 2 inches. That brings me out 10 feet 2 inches. Now I need to make, both rooms are exactly the same. So the whole thing is 26 feet 8 inches. Each room is half of that, so 13 feet 4 inches. So let's pull this down, type in 13 feet 4 inches, enter. Now I've got that drawn. So let's go ahead and pencil in where those two rooms should be. There to there, there to there. Sorry, this magnifying glass on my screen. Okay, so there's my bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. Now I can go ahead and delete that grid line just so it doesn't throw me for my other rooms. Alright, the next room on the left here, but one space in, is that little bathroom there. It is 5 feet 8 inches by 13 feet 6 inches. Now you will notice that this is from here to here is 13 feet 4 inches. They're telling us that the bathroom is 13 feet 6 inches. So on the picture it looks shorter than the actual bedroom, but it's actually a little bit longer. So I apologize for that. The blueprint isn't perfect. But let's go ahead and use the measurement tool, and let's mark out where 5 feet 8 inches will be, because that's the width of the room. Okay? So let's measure, make sure that that marked it correct, 5 feet 8 inches. Alright, so then we'll grab our measurement tool. Then from that point, we need to mark out, so that's the width, 13 feet, let's just mark out 13 feet 6 inches, enter. So you'll see that that's just 2 inches over where our room is. So if you measure from here to here, you'll see that that's 2 inches over. So now we've got that measured out, we can actually pencil in the lines we want to keep. So here to here, there to there. Okay, and we can delete that other grid line in between where that was marked, if it'll let us. Okay, it's not letting me right now, but that's okay. Alright, so that becomes my little bathroom there. Alright, Now if you go over from there, if you continue moving right, you'll see that the top part of the kitchen is 18 feet. So we'll then grab our measurement tool, type in 18 feet, enter. All right, so that's going to take us all the way to the very right side. We should have 6 feet 2 inches left. So let's measure that. 6 feet 2 inches. Good. All right, so that works perfectly. Now we do know, let's just leave this here for now and this here for now, and let's mark off on the right side. So I have 6 feet 6.5 inches, or 6 feet 2 inches, which is what I have left, and 6 feet 6 inches down. So from this point, I know I need 6 feet 6 inches, enter. So then I can measure that. That's where my next room will be. So I can just pencil in those lines. So that becomes that little room in the very right-hand corner. And I can go ahead and delete my grid lines so that I don't get confused. Now the other room, the master bedroom, and then I believe that would be, in this case, the master bathroom. The master bedroom is 11 feet 6 inches by 13 feet. And that little bathroom is 11 feet 6 inches by 7 feet 2 inches. So let's just go down here to the bottom and mark off where 13 feet would be. All right, so obviously that's 13 feet. And then let's measure from here to here, and that is the remaining 7 feet 2 inches. All right, so now from here on, let's go on that little line there. And let's mark out 11 feet 6 inches. And we know that will take us, that will become our master bedroom. So we can pencil in those lines. Okay, and we can also then connect here to here and there to there. So then that becomes that little bathroom up there. So let's go ahead and delete those extra grid lines. And let's check out where, so obviously this is our kitchen up here, our living room down here. Let's check our dimensions because the living room did say it should be 18 feet 4 inches. So we're good. Then from here to here, 13 feet 2 inches. So we're good to go. If you want to divide this up, you can. It looks like it's kind of an open floor plan. So if you wanted to, you could, or if you want to just leave it open, you can. There's no dimension here, but obviously if you keep that, if you close that off, you're going to want to keep a 3-foot gap. So if we say from here out, because that's the length of a doorway, you could say that would be your door. So I should have just used the measure tool for that. That could be the length of the doorway if you wanted to leave that actually open. And you knew you'd have to like delete that point there. There. So we could leave that open, or you can leave the doorway, or you can just leave that an open floor plan. But there's how you get the general layout done.